Hola, buenas noches, and welcome to Speak Spanish Now. In this video, I am going to teach you some essential cognates that you already know, and I'm just going to bring them to your attention with the pronunciation. If this is the first time you're joining me, my name is Dion Glasgow Douglas, and I taught myself Spanish, and I believe that you can too. I'm a teacher of Spanish, and I'm here to help you, to encourage you on your journey of learning the Spanish language, because we know it's vital. Tonight is lesson number 1, and I am going to start this lesson by showing you some cognates, words that you already know in English. So let's go. Can you see that? Our first word is vital. You know the word vital in English. In Spanish, we say vital. Vital. So we make a soft sound with the lips. It's bilabial like this. Vital. Vital. And then you know temporal. In Spanish, you say temporal. Or I can say, en español se dice temporal. Look at this word, plural. You know plural. In Spanish, it's plural. And then we have rural. In Spanish is rural. And then we have actual. In Spanish, it's actual. Now note, you can look at these words and then you can come up with the rule. What do you think is the rule for words that end in AL in English? Tell me what you think the rule is. Yes, words that end in AL in English, most of these words are the same in Spanish. The only difference is the difference in the pronunciation. Let's look at some more words. We have accidental. Then we have abnormal. And we have abdominal. All words that we already know in English. Now, I'm going to teach you 2 new words. The first one is es. And es means it is in Spanish. Es is it is. So, how do you think I will say it is vital? You can try writing it. How do you say it's vital? Now, in Spanish, to say how do you say is ¿cómo se dice? So I will ask you now, ¿cómo se dice it's vital en español? Yes, es vital. Let me show you the word right there. So you will say, es vital. It's vital. Es vital. How would you say? It's actual. It's actual. Yes, it is. Es actual. Look right there. Es actual. That's it is actual. Actual, yes, in English. Now, let's take it's accidental. It's accidental. ¿Cómo se dice en español? It's accidental. Here it is. Es, oh wow, I have my noise at the bottom there too. So let me turn that around. Es accidental. Es accidental. Muy bien. How would you say it's abnormal? It's abnormal. I know you get it. In Spanish, you say es abnormal. Look at that, guys. Es abnormal. En español se dice es abnormal. And finally, how would you say it is not abnormal? It is not abnormal. Remember this one? No es. Yes, like this, okay? Like this. No es. No es abnormal. No es abnormal. How would we say it is not? Oh, wow, wow, abnormal, abnormal. Okay, guys, here we have it. Yes. Es. No es abnormal. You see that? No es abnormal. Or we can say, oh, it's not accidental. So we say, no es accidental. No es accidental. All right, so let's remember what we've covered in tonight's lesson. We are saying that, what's the rule? most words in Spanish that ends in English, sorry, that ends in al are the same in Spanish. So we have vital, vital, temporal, temporal, plural, plural, rural, rural, actual, actual. Then we have accidental, accidental, abnormal, abnormal, abdominal, abdominal. And then we also learned how to say it is, and it is not, no es. All right? But when it comes to Spanish, es vital. Es vital. Thank you so much for stopping by. Oops, let me get that off, guys. It's all right. We should just do that, right? Es, es vital. Es vital aprender el español. It's vital to learn Spanish. Thank you so much for stopping by. And remember that if I can do it, you can do it. And even though I say speak Spanish now, it is not going to be an easy road where you will speak it now. Speak it now just means that you will start speaking in this moment because you will be equipped with the right words. Gracias. Ciao.